Am I the only one that didn't know you can make breakfast in 10 minutes? It's amazing how a few simple ingredients can come together to create something so delicious and satisfying in such a short amount of time. Well, buckle up, because I'm about to change your mornings forever. Imagine waking up and knowing that a delightful breakfast is just minutes away. No more skipping breakfast or grabbing something unhealthy on the go. All right, let's kick things off with a classic, avocado toast. This is not just any toast, it's a powerhouse of nutrients and flavors. Mash up a ripe avocado, season with salt, pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice, then spread it on toasted whole grain bread. The creaminess of the avocado combined with the crunch of the toast is simply irresistible. Boom! Gourmet breakfast in minutes. You can even add a poached egg on top for extra protein and richness. It's a versatile dish that you can customize to your liking. Next up, we have the smoothie bowl. This is a vibrant and refreshing way to start your day, packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Blend frozen berries, a banana, and some yogurt. You can use any berries you like. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, they all work great. Pour it into a bowl topped with granola and honey and you're good to go. The crunch of the granola and the sweetness of the honey complement the smooth, fruity base perfectly. Third on our list is yogurt with fruits and nuts. This is a quick and easy option that you can throw together in no time. Just scoop some yogurt into a bowl, drizzle with honey, and sprinkle with your favorite berries and almonds. Simple yet satisfying. You can use Greek yogurt for extra protein or flavored yogurt for a bit of variety. Moving on, scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes. This is a hearty and nutritious breakfast that will keep you full for hours. Whisk up some eggs, sauté spinach and tomatoes, then scramble it all together. Healthy and hearty. You can add some cheese or herbs for extra flavor. How about overnight oats? Mix oats, milk, chia seeds and honey in a jar. This is a great make-ahead option that you can prepare the night before. Let it sit in the fridge overnight. The oats will absorb the liquid and become soft and creamy. In the morning, just top with your favorite fruits. Next, pancakes. Who doesn't love pancakes for breakfast? Mix flour, milk, an egg, baking powder, and a little sugar. You can add some vanilla extract or cinnamon for extra flavor. Cook in a pan and voila! Fluffy heaven on a plate. Serve with syrup, berries, or even a dollop of whipped cream for a special treat. For a savory twist, try our breakfast burrito. This is a great option if you need something portable. Scramble eggs, place them on a tortilla, add cheese, beans, and salsa, then roll it up. Breakfast on the go. You can also add some avocado or hot sauce for extra flavor. Chia pudding is another easy win. This is a great option if you're looking for something light and refreshing. Mix chia seeds with milk and vanilla extract. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and form a gel-like consistency. Let it gel in the fridge and top with fruits. Delicious and nutritious. You can also add some nuts or coconut flakes for extra texture. French toast is always a favorite. This is a great way to use up stale bread and turn it into something delicious. Whisk eggs, milk, cinnamon and sugar. Dip bread in the mix and cook in a pan. Sweet and simple. You can serve it with syrup, powdered sugar or fresh fruit. Golden and crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. It's a breakfast classic for a reason. Last but not least, an omelette with vegetables. This is a great way to get your veggies in first thing in the morning. Whisk eggs, dice bell peppers, onions and tomatoes. Sauté the veggies, add the eggs, let it set, sprinkle cheese and fold. Perfectly balanced and tasty. You can also add some spinach or mushrooms for extra nutrients. The result is a fluffy, flavorful omelette that's packed with goodness. It's a great way to start your day on a healthy note. Try these quick and delicious breakfast recipes to start your day right. They're all easy to make, nutritious, and most importantly, delicious. Subscribe for more great recipes, whether you're a busy professional, a student, or just someone who loves good food. These recipes are sure to make your mornings brighter and more enjoyable.